Hi everyone, my name is Teshiro. Today I'm going to present about MS in China to stay or live. Let's move to the questions one. What were the key factors that led MS to enter the Chinese market? The first point is growth potential. China's growing middle class opened doors for consumer goods and fashion brands. For the second point is growing consumer demands, rising incomes, urbanizations, and demands for Western brands make China a key market for food and fashion retailers. The third point is global expansion strategies. AMS attempt to reduce the dependence on the UK's market by expanding abroad. The fourth point is brand recognition goals. Entering the Chinese market supports goals of global recognition by leveraging China's rising global influence. The last one is full control strategies. AMS enter China without a local partner and full control and protect its brands. So the question two is, what were the initial strategy and approach adopted by M&S to establish its presence in China? For the first point is flagship store in Shanghai. M&S opened its first flagship store on West Nanjing Road, Shanghai to boost their brand image. The second point is direct ownership strategies. M&S entered China without a local partner to keep full control of weighting share decision making with others. Okay, so the third point is using UK business model. MS initially exported its UK retail model and expecting it to work similar in China. So the fourth point is product mix and clothing and foods. MS offer clothing and food follow its UK's model to showcase its full range. For the last one is emphasis on British heritage and quality. Next, we discuss about the question three is what were the challenges faced by MS in the Chinese market? For the first point is operational complexity. Running both grocery and clothing under one roof added operational challenge, especially in a new and affiliate markets. And the second point is lack of limited local preference. And a struggle to reach Chinese consumer by sticking to a UK model without localizing for the markets. For the third point is low brand awareness. MS lack strong brand recognition in China and fail to clearly communicate their value propositions with other consumers. The next point is unattractive store location. Shanghai flagship store is in a costly area but is fully designed and hard to navigate. The last point is ineffective product offering. The product that MS offered did not fit with the Chinese preference. Next, the question four is how did M&S adapt its strategies to address these challenges? The first point is product size and positioning. M&S realized the need to tailor its clothing size and style to suit the needs of Chinese consumers because British sizing is not suitable for Chinese market. For the second point is marketing and brands. M&S tried to reposition in China but failed due to the low brand awareness and unclear positioning between luxury and affordable. The next point is e-commerce. MS launched on Tmall as Alibaba to boost accessibility and brand presence in China's online market. The next point is introduction of local management. MS employed Chinese managers to align operation with local consumer expectations. The last point is category focus. Food sales did better but had limited store space, while fashion sales struggled and finally it fell. Okay, next we'll discuss about the SWOT analysis for MLS. For the strength is established global brand, retail success, entry e-commerce platform, requirement of local staff, ownership control. For the weakness is poor brand recognition, Western style clothing styles, high operating costs, ineffective market positioning, lack of localization. And for the opportunity is e-commerce growth, rising middle class, potential for joint venture, growing demand for Western food, goods. It is competition for local and international retailers, shifting consumer behavior, cultural difference, and economic instability. For question number six is, what were the alternatives considered by MS regarding its presence in China? The first point is improve store performance. The second point is scale down operations. The third point is local partnership, focus on e-commerce, and the last one is split Chinese market. For question number seven is discuss about lessons that other multinational companies that can learn from MAS. The first lesson is multinational firms must research and respect cultural and physical difference in consumer preference. The second is multinational should joint venture with local companies because it can offer vital local knowledge and reduce risk. Okay, for the next lesson is new entrants must prioritize digital channel from the start. For the fourth lesson is multinational partner operation and scale gradually to avoid costly error. The next lesson is multinational must invest in marketing and localization to build brand awareness in new market. And the last lesson is multinational must align locations choice with cost and expected returns. The question number is how can MS leverage its experience in China to improve its operation in international market? The first point is emphasize market research and localization. And second point is e-commerce strategy. The third point is consider strategy partnership. And then fourth point is improve brand positioning. And the last point is early in brand building. And this is my reference. And this is the evaluation rubric. And that's all to my presentation. Thank you.